This is going to be a brief video about reduce. I mistakenly forgot to include reduce in the filter and map video, so here it goes. We have a numbers list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and before we do anything, we want to import reduce from functools. So that is something that we have to do. But basically, what does this do? This is really going to allow us to use a lambda, right? And that's basically going to be an anonymous function that does some computation on some list, for my example, which is going to be this numbers list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it going to do? Well, it's going to take each number and multiply that number with the next number. And that's why it's called reduce, because we are reducing the values of these elements in the array to one value. So it's going to be 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24, 24 times 5 is 120. So that's really all it is. It's really just a way to take elements in a list and you're reducing that, you're boiling that down to one number. Now, why is it related to lambda? Because we can provide a lambda function, just like we've seen in the previous video. We don't have to use lambda, but lambda is really concise and convenient because we could do so in one line, where it's more readable and more maintainable possibly, and less lines of code, of course, and we get to do it in a short version of the code. So if we run this, for example, we get 120, and that's exactly what we get. So just to tie this up, this kind of goes along with the previous video with map and filter, and I just didn't want to leave it out just in case you ran into this and well, you know what it is.